expected, Mr. Speaker. That's why I raised a point of order that I needed to be supplied with CVs.
Nasense moye bungenene abachumbe bonsi aba women rep na boigo baba gutiani wabene elio koruchaka korwa bokoreri gochiase abananchi abo barie irayo gochia korwa bokoreri asenchera egwenerete muri keto Frida Kerubo norvoto rwa asenchera yoboime.
Nase amagacho yebunge enene ababunge abo bacholetwe ase obocholi bw'omwaka oyo batianigwa eligochaka obokoreri gochia ase abananchi.
Mimi Lydia Haika Mizigi nikiwa nimechaguliwa kama mwanachama wa bunge la kitaifa, na hapa kwa jina la Mwenyezi Mungu kwamba nitakuwa mwaminifu na mtiifu kwa watu wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, kwamba nitatii, nitaheshimu, nitatetea, nitatunza, nitahifadhi na kulinda katiba ya Jamhuri ya Kenya, na kwamba nitayatekeleza majukumu yangu ya ubunge kwa uaminifu. Ewe Mwenyezi Mungu nisaidie.
Nomorobelio oragwa nomo Clark Sera Kioko oyoba omosubati omotangani gotiania ababunge.
Having looked at the number of members elect present in the House this morning, I can confirm that we have the requisite quorum necessary to transact the business before the House as set out under Article 121 of the Constitution of Kenya.
Ababunge chimi ibere emerongo kienda, aba women rep emerongo ene na batano na babere, na boigo ababunge abachole 12 nigo batianigwa gochaka emeremo kubwatekana nelichiko na boigo ekatiba ya Kenya ase emiaka 5 erebosio.
Prepare through faith and allegiance to the people and the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, uphold, preserve and protect and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I will faithfully and consistently discharge the duties of a member of Parliament. So help me God.
I, Silvanus Osoro, having been elected a member of the National Assembly, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the people and the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, uphold, preserve, protect, and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge the duties of a member of Parliament. So help me God.
Agega yogotianigwa nigo batwara egeikaro ase ogochora omonogeri bw'ebunge enene oyora chikoira libagaria Justin Muturi. Ekeminano egetindi nigo kiarenge egati ya Kenneth Marende amona Moses Wetangula abo amalieta abo aitigwa korwa gati ya baroneli 19. Ababunge mbatwara engwana ya bene ningo bwenete koira libaga elio.
I have disqualified the 2 persons from contesting in the election for the Speaker scheduled for today, 8 September 2022. Cognizant of the fact that the willful submission of documents containing misleading, falsified or fraudulent information for use in proceedings of a very crucial nature by this House may constitute a criminal offense, out of the 19 persons who completed and returned their nomination papers, the following 2 persons qualified as candidates for elections as Speaker of the National Assembly. 1. Kenneth Otiato Marende. 2. Moses Masika Wetangula.
Frida